Chapter 32 Plans Irava. When the dinner at long last ends, Lord Valtaire says a word in Toravon's ear and doesn't go with him when he retreats with his guards, his mother and sister behind him. Elsira gives me a parting smile, and I return it, trying to hide my queasiness as Valtaire comes up to me, leans close, and says, "Care for me to walk you back to your quarters?" People are still watching us. Of course they are watching us. Everyone is always watching, and here, still at the high table, we're on display. Especially now that the king has gone. Yes, I say, because I don't think it would be wise in any way to refuse him just now. I don't know what he wants, but I guess I'll find out. In the corridor, empty with most of the courtiers still in the great hall, I ask first, "Was that your idea for me to be at the high table?" "No," he says. "It was his. It was a good one, if awkward. Elsira seems taken with you well enough, so that worked out fine." I stiffen. The princess is treating me as a friend, or a brother, not... "I know," Valtaire says with a sigh. He rubs at his clean-shaven cheek, pulls me to a stop. "Listen, Caleb, your affairs are your own. I don't like how this is all playing out. But I'm not going to tell him. Not unless his life, is in greater danger. But please, I'm truly begging you, please." I bite my lip, glancing at the two guards still stationed at the doors to the great hall. Are they in earshot? Maybe not. Valtaire was speaking quietly, not whispering. Will it stop the rumors about me and him? I ask. Whatever rumors there are, will it help him at all if I'm seen with you? With you? I'm still fully Caleb. I settled into that throughout the dinner. And even if Valtaire knows it's not, at its core, true, I'm still a man at the moment. And it would be awkward, gods, so awkward, to even do anything so forward as embrace him. But if it would help Toravon... He coughs a laugh, his eyes raking me over again, brow furrowing. "You're gorgeous, Caleb, but... not real? You're his, and I don't quite know where that's coming from. I don't need you to date me. I want you to make nice with him, so we can all get out of this mess." I flush with more heat than I can deal with just now, and I take his arm in the same way I had Elsira's, because it's the only thing I can think of just now. I pull him toward a less public corridor. He makes a sound of protest, but then his steps fall into place beside me, and he, gently, removes my hand from his arm. "I know your royalty," he growls beneath his breath, "because you're so damned presumptive. Where are we going? Are we alone? There's no one ahead. I know no one followed us. You know there will be rumors, though." "I don't care. I need to talk to you."